Hey guys, I am just coming to you today with a 6 weeks update on my locks. Today I am officially 6 weeks. So things that have been going on with my hair, not much. Let's see if I have enough battery life to do this video. So today's video is going to be a hair update. It's not much that has changed, but I do have a few things to talk about. As you can see, my hair is still frizzy and I love it. It still has a lot of moisture to it. It's still soft. I am not having a lot of problems with it. As you know, last week I did have problems with some unraveling. I did take one down in the back and split it in half and retwist it because it was unraveling, and it was enough to make 2 twist out. So that's what I did with that one. I did find a few more that I had taken care of that I missed the last time. Other than that, I'm not really having any problems as far as my hair is concerned. Let's see, I don't think that I'm budding. I don't see any budding going on. I do, however, find different textures in my hair where I think it's starting to mat up a little bit. And I don't know which ones it is, so I'm not going to dig through my head and show it because it's not anything major or anything that you can really notice. So I am experiencing a little bit of itching. It's not that much. What I do is I'll take my rose water and I'll spray my hair with rose water, and I put a little bit of oil on it, and that's about it. I'll massage my hair before I go to bed and when I wake up in the morning, just to massage my scalp and get this circulation going. When I take my shower, I will take it without the shower cap and let steam hit my hair so it can retain that moisture. But other than that, that's about all that I do to my hair. I have not put it in any styles. I did have to take my jewelry out of my hair because I had to have a procedure yesterday and I couldn't have any jewelry in my hair, on my body, anywhere. So I had to take that out. I will be putting it back in. Not a lot, but I will be probably putting the shell back in and maybe a few pieces of the gold pieces back in. But that's about it. That's pretty much. Oh, I did use my carrot oil. I used that twice so far, and I'm going to see how that works out for me. It does seem to moisturize my hair. I don't think it moisturizes my hair as much as my oil that I make does, but it does have a moisture in it. So I'll take that carrot oil and I'll put it on my hand and I will rub it on my scalp, just trying to penetrate my scalp to make sure that my scalp is not dry. But other than that, that is about all. I don't see any changes. I probably will not get a retwist. I think my daughter is going to do a retwist for my birthday on the 8th because that's some time she has available, and I want a really good retwist. And she does her boyfriend's hair, so his hair looks really good and it's grown a lot. But other than that, that's about it. I haven't washed my hair again, and I probably won't wash it until it's time to do the retwist. But I'll continue to spray with the rose water, and I will continue to use my oils and just let my hair do what it needs to do. I'm in no hurry, and that is about all for this update, guys. There's no big change, like I said. I do, however, see that my hair is growing. It is growing a nice size, and I just noticed this down here is starting to knot up, and that is the area that I really don't want it to knot up at because I want my curls to stay. So I'm gonna let it do what it do, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see right there, but it's like a different texture right here. So it's not really, to me, I don't see any budding. I just see that it's starting to tangle within itself, and it's not really noticeable. There's a lot more frizz than there usually is. It feels like my hair is not done in some areas, not like I have loose hairs, but I don't. It's just the frizz from my hair. But that's all for this update, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you will be notified next time I upload a lock update, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.